Hi friends, and welcome to day 3 of introductions for Mama Elephant's November 2024 release. Today we are introducing Peekapals and its coordinating creative cuts, as well as Paper Hugs creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the stamped images. This is a set similar to the Peekabuddies that were released earlier this year. There's a column of animals, as well as several images to decorate your scene, and it also has a couple of Christmas images. Today I'm showing you how to color the giraffe, and as always, the Copic color numbers are in the description below. And of course I add some white gel pen accents to bring it to life. And that finishes the coloring for today. Now let's take a look at the Paper Hugs Creative Cuts. There are 3 medium to large sentiments included in this set. We have Paper Hugs, Happy Vibes, and Sending You Hearts. And both the shadow as well as the letters are included in this set. Now let's make a clean and simple card using these new sets. I have a standard sized A2 card base and I'm lining that with some patterned paper and a piece of vellum. I'm stacking a slightly smaller panel on top that fits my animals exactly. I'm also including the greenery into this card. And the sentiment Paper Hugs is going on top. Now let's make a simple background using a piece of masking tape and a stencil. I'm using my standard colors for this, which is Tea Dye Distress Ink, Vintage Photo Distress Ink, and for the sky I'm using Tumbled Gloss Distress Oxide ink. My simple background is done and we can start creating our card. I'm adhering everything using a combination of tape runner, liquid glue as well as foam tape. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from the 15th of November, and I'll see you tomorrow for the last day of introductions for this release. Bye!